spell I have got when you want to tell that you got something. For example, I have got a deer, I have got a bear, I have got a fox, and I have got a rabbit. What toys have you got at home? We say it is when we want to say about one object. For example, it is one book. We say they are when we want to say about two or more objects. For example, they are 1, 2, 3 books. They are 3 books. How to use on, in, under in English? Use on when you want to say that something is on the surface. For example, the fox is on the table. Use in when you want to say that the object is in something. For example, the fox is in the basket. Use under when you want to say that the object is below something. For example, the fox is under the table.